Here's something that I just recently realized, and this can help you in your business. If you're selling a product or a service that truly helps people solve a problem, here's 2 reasons why most people won't take action. Number 1, it's too confusing for them because they have no idea what they need to do in order to do business with you. Or it's too hard for them to achieve their desired result because there's no clear communication on how your product or service will help them get the result that they're looking for. So the way to resolve this problem is by having a 3-step plan that people can clearly understand. So let me give you an example. So let's say that you're a financial advisor, and I'm somebody who's looking for a financial advisor because I want to retire comfortably. But I don't know the first thing about working with a financial advisor. Do I need to bring bank statements? Am I going to have to write a check? Are you going to check my credit score? And honestly, just thinking about all of this makes me not even want to retire. But you, as a financial advisor, knows how hard and confusing it can be for people who have no idea how to get started. So you create a 3-step plan that makes it easy and simple for people to work with you. So as an example, your 3-step plan can be something like this. Step 1, you schedule a call. Step 2, we do an intake session. And step 3, I give you a customized financial plan that works for you. Now, me being the customer, this clears up any confusion and it makes it really simple for me to actually work with you. And you can use this method in any business. Now do me a favor and give me a thumbs up emoji in the comments if you found this valuable. Now, if you need help taking your business to the next level, just comment I'm in.